On this page, you will see a list of all the orders that have been made in your e-commerce shop. You will see their ID, reference, if they are a new customer, what country the items will be delivered to, the customer name, the total amount of their order, their chosen payment method, the status of their order, and the date the order was created. You can also download a PDF file of the order's information, and you can see if the order is made through your webshop or POS system. If you want to see more information about an order, click this button. Here you can see the status of your customer's order. You can change the status here, and then click Update. If you want to send an email to your customer about the change in their order status, you can click this Send Mail button. You can also print the order details and invoice by clicking these buttons here. On this side, you will see information about the customer who made the order, as well as the amount of money they have spent since they registered at your shop. You can also add a note that can be seen on that customer's page. Over here, you will see the shipping and billing address of your customer. In this section, you will see details about the shipment like the date, shipping company, the weight of the item, shipping fee, and the tracking number. You can add the tracking number by clicking this Edit button and then put the tracking number for that order and then click Update. Over here, you can see the details about their payment, like the date, payment method, transaction, amount of the item they bought, and invoice number. If you want to send an email to your customer about that specific order, for example, when an order is delayed and you want to inform the customer about it, then you can do it in this section. You can either choose a default message here or you can manually type it in this message box. After you have composed your message, click this button and it will be sent to the customer's email address. Below here you can add a note about the order that will be seen on the order page of the admin. Lastly, in this section, you will see a list of the order products and their details. You can also add an item in that order and add a discount. You can also create a new order from this order page. Just click this plus sign button or this Create New Order button. Search for the customer to whom the order will belong, or you can also add a new one by clicking this Add New Customer button. Choose the title of the customer. Add their first name, last name, email address, password, and birthday. Choose if the account will be active or not. If you want your customer to receive newsletters from you through email, choose Yes in here. If you want your customer to receive ads via email, then choose Yes in this section. Choose their group access and customer group. Then click Save. You can see the details of the customer by clicking this button. You will see here their social title, age, registration date, the date when they last visited your shop, language, if they are registered to your newsletter and ads email, the date when their details were last updated, and the status of their account. You can add a private note here that only your employees can see. You will see in this section the messages you have sent and received from the customer. Over here are a list of all the orders they have made. In this section, you will see the vouchers that they have. Here are the group access they have. Over here are the carts they have made. And over here, you will see all the products they have viewed. Below, you will see the items that they have put on their wish lists. Over here you will see all the order notes made for that customer's order. And lastly, you will see their addresses. Choose the customer to whom the order will belong by clicking this Choose button. Search for the item they are buying. Choose the product name and the product combination. Then add how many of that product they want to buy. After that, click this Add to Basket button. You will see here the product that has been added. Choose here the currency and language. Over here, you can add a voucher for this order. You can either add an existing discount coupon here, or add a new one by clicking this button. Add the name of the discount, description, and code. If you leave this field blank, the discount will automatically be applied to benefiting customers. Click this button if you want to generate a code. If you want the discount to be offered on the checkout page of the customer, then activate this setting. Once you activate this setting, the discount will be offered on the checkout page of the customer. This setting is only valid if the discount coupon is greater than the total amount of the basket. If you do not allow partial use, the discount coupon value will be deducted from the total amount of the order, but if you did, a new discount coupon will be created with the remaining amount. Add the priority number and check if you want the status of the discount to be active or not. Next, go to Conditions. If you want the discount to only be limited to a single customer, then add the customer name here, but if you leave this field empty, the discount will be available to everyone. Choose the date range until when the discount will be valid. Over here, you can choose a minimum amount of the order either with or without VAT, and with or without shipping. Below here, you can add the quantity or how many times the discount can be used by your customers, and the number of times a single customer can use the discount. Here, you can select the restrictions for the discount. After that, go to the last tab. Select what will happen when your customers apply the discount. Do you want them to have free delivery? Or a less in the total amount of their order? Or do you want to send them a free gift? And then click Save. Below here, you can choose the address for the delivery and invoice address. You can also edit the address by clicking this button. Choose the delivery option for this order. You will see here the shipping cost for this type of delivery. Choose if it will be free delivery or not. Below here, you will see the summary of that order with the total price of the item, the amount of the discount, the total shipping amount, the total VAT, and the total amount of the order without and with the VAT. You can also add an order message here in this text field. If you want to send the customer an email regarding the payment of the order, you can do it by clicking this button. To process the payment, you can go to the checkout page by clicking this text link. Lastly, choose the payment method for this order here, and also the status of the order. After you put all the necessary information about the order, you can now create it by clicking this Create an Order button.